So this food is actually ready. It's just for me to make sure that the pepper are well mixed. Okay, can you see? This is our low budget spaghetti. It's ready. So, and then you dish out. Just a quick dish out. Just a quick one. Okay, we are ready. I just want to dish out. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, you just need to know to where the food is. Can you see? This meal does not take much of your time, you know, to get it done, and it's also budget friendly. Very, very budget friendly. Does not take much of your time, and it's budget friendly. You see how I was able to quickly get it done. So try this meal and maybe come back to the comment section to tell me how it tastes. This is low budget fried spaghetti. You can actually mix vegetables like, you know, carrots, all those things, just the same way you cook fried rice. You know, can actually mix them to this. Thank you so much for watching, and please do remain blessed. Okay, you can see. That's the low budget fried spaghetti.